checking out one of the local malls. Topanga, let's go. This is where I did pick up some dirt cheap tech fleece. I don't think I'll get that lucky again. Definitely not anticipating the same deal, but it's worth a try. $10 Nike shirt, and it does have some 3M on it. $10, that's not too bad. Got some swimming trunks, Nike swimming trunks going for $40, and then tech fleece right here, $80, about 50% off. And these are going for $110. Does have a little bit of pink on it, also two-toned. Kind of interesting. $145 down to $110. Got some tech fleece in the House of Hoops section right here, going for $80. These are just super bright. They're a huge Ja Morant fan. They do have the Ja hoodies right here, going for $110. His logo is actually pretty dope. This logo is one of the better logos. Trying to think of anything released the last couple weeks. Not that I remember. It is crazy that I did see these bad boys at the Torrance Nike outlet. Could have grabbed them for like $40-something, and they got them for retail here. Also had them at the Foot Locker outlet. Damn, I haven't gone there in over a week, man. Got the book right here. Like I said, these remind me of the Booker tees. I don't know why. Whenever I say book. But yeah, it does have chapter 1 in the back. Gum bottom. Python prints right here go for $150. And got the nice buck leather material one right here. $140 for these bad boys. This is one of the newer colorways of the KDs. The KD 17s. I don't think I've seen this colorway. Definitely interesting. What's these going for? I believe the KDs are going for $150. I want to say I've seen both of these colorways quite a few times, right? I've been saying after you go to the Foot Locker outlet, it's like tough to shop at a regular Foot Locker. They do have 3 different colorways of the LaMelo LaFrance. Is that what these are called? The LaFrance? But yeah, the casual shoes for Melo. These are some Pumas. These are going for $110. Definitely an interesting look. Definitely look different than any other casual shoes out there. These look dope. And they had these at the Foot Locker outlet for $50 off. That was pretty freaking crazy. $110 here. And they got some AEs right here, the regular AEs. With these going for $120 for these bad boys. Such a good bargain. I don't know. Are these really good for hoops though? I haven't seen them for hoops. But yeah, got the lows right here and got the regular ones right there. Coming out with some newer colorways of the Forces. And yeah, the leather's a little bit better on this one. Okay, $135 for those bad boys. And we do have the newly opened Shoe Palace. Place looks pretty dope already, dude. Yeah, this place looks way better than the prior location. Holy cow. Look at this. Look at this. They got all kinds of LCD screens. Got a pretty fire Jordan section right here. A huge Nike section right here. Vans, Converse, even Birkenstocks. Smallest little Puma section right next door. And next to the Jordan section, they got New Balance. They got On. And they got Adidas right there. Starting with the Jordan Hydro Slides. I don't see many people talking about these, but I freaking love these. You got the Bread 4 Reimagined right there. You got the Playoff 8 Hydros right here. Gratitude 11. These are all going for $65. And then these have been on sale at some spots, but not here. Not here. That's really surprising because these been down to $40 at some of the Shoe Palaces. Usually at Shoe Palace, when they have a sale, they usually have a sale at every location, not just 1 or 2. Foot Locker tends to do that. Champs tends to do that. Shoe Palace and Sheep usually have sales everywhere if they have it. But yeah, $90 for Jordan 1 low OGs. 2s always on sale, perennial sales items. $90. This one says $99. This one says $100. That's interesting. 2 bills for these. These retailed for $225, I believe. $150, $130, $130 for these bad boys. This is the Jordan that went on this sale like the quickest out of any Jordans I've ever seen. Got the mid suede pink bad boys right here, go for $90. They got some other mids and lows and stuff like that. Oh, got the ochres right here, 130 for these, and then the black Oreos, 150 for these bad boys. I think most of those are going to continue to go down, right? Have any of you guys tried these on? Is it on Cloud or on? I think it's on, right? And Cloud Tech is the midsole technology that they use. The Cloud Novas right here, 160 for those. I think these are their max cushion shoes right here, 180 for these bad boys. Like, is this any better than the Invincible Run 3s that we could find for like cheap at the outlets? Like, is it better than that? I don't know. Never tried any of these on. Let me know if y'all have tried these on, man. Just seems a little steep for like a brand that I've never tried, or I don't know. But yeah, I do got an Adidas section right here. First time seeing these Sambas right here, all suede leather. The leather feels so fantastic on these bad boys. 110 for these. Oh, holy cow, that feels so good. Holy cow, man. 110, dude. So much better than these Sambas right here. These don't feel that bad, but that suede just hits different. And do got some of the Nice Kicks ones right here. Nice Kicks collab. Nice Kicks is owned by Shoe Palace, and Shoe Palace is owned by JD Sports. So, you know, it's all one big company pretty much. Ooh, I miss these black ones too. These black ones clean. Little hint of gray on it. Not bad, dude. Not bad at all. Suede looks a little weird right there, but yeah, 110 for those, not bad. In the back, they also do have a kids section, as well as a women that's just hella lit, holy cow. And that is where we will find these camo 3s on sale for $100. I doubt they have any bigger sizes, but dope to see those on sale. Got dunks as well as these campus, $50 for campus. Does have that gum bottom, pretty freaking dope. Dunks going for 70, mids going for 70 as well. Got some New Balances. These look generic as hell. Going for 55. The Air Max ones, pretty much the same price as the outlets nowadays, man. Holy cow. These PlayStation Puma suedes, pretty freaking dope. Yeah, these ain't bad. These ain't bad. $100 for those. And they got these regular suedes right here. All of them on sale, going for $50. It's not too bad. Not too bad. This one got that super duper long haired suede on it. And I think that might be the cheapest. We've seen these Air Max DNs. This is a men's right here. $100 for these bad boys. And then this has been the spot to get the Vomeros. This place and Chic. I think Chic still has their 20% off until the end of this weekend. But yeah, I do got some Vomeros. $100, $100. And $100 for those. And yeah, that is pretty much the newest Shoe Palace, especially to the Valley. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. That display right there is kind of crazy, man. Damn. We still have a Champs. We still have a Borders. We still have a JD Sports downstairs. And do got a little 70% off section. Mostly t-shirts though. Mostly t-shirts. The price doesn't even matter that much when it is 70% off, to be really honest. Dodgers t-shirt right there. That's one that we saw at the Champs outlet. And then we do have a CSG hoodie in the back going for $55. And some Nike shorts. Nike fleece shorts right here. And then this is where the more dope stuff is, but 50% off only. This is really trippy because Foot Locker had these for 70% off already, so I don't know why it would just be 50% off here. Kind of weird. And I have been looking for Tech Fleece on sale lately. This is the latest Tech Fleece. There's a big line in the middle. It does have the black, what is this, like black rubber around some of the zippers, but not, I guess all the zippers, huh? But yeah, no zippers on the pockets right here. This is the latest Tech Fleece jackets right here, going for $135, and of course they're coming out with multiple colors as usual. Also got the matching pants. Oh, it does have a zipper on one side, but yeah, I think that's for ventilation, right? Is that a pocket? Oh, okay. I don't have the newer Tech Fleece, so I guess it's an extra pocket. So there's a zipper pocket right here. Then there's regular pockets on the side. Pants are going for $115. Got red Converse Chucks right here going for $30. These are so light, dude. So much lighter than the Chuck 70s. Got them in black right here as well. Go for 50. Damn, they ain't even got no 574s on sale. What's going to do? They even have any 574s at all? Or they just got one. That's it? What the hell? And I thought I saw these all black ones on sale. I don't know, maybe it's Foot Locker, but yeah, these are pretty dope. I'm a huge fan of the all black ones right here. They got 990s, and we've been seeing these at the New Balance outlet. If you have access to one of those, man, to be able to get these $200 shoes for like $100, pretty crazy. A couple of 990s, like hovering around the $20 mark, which is pretty insane. And those of you guys that don't know, these are made in the USA. Not all New Balances, but specifically the 990s. I think the 996s as well. They also do have some that are made in England as well. Adizero running shoes right here. Just normally 120 down to 60. Does have Light Strike Pro, which is supposed to be the equivalent of Zoom X. So that's a pretty solid deal. The Noosas right here, I think for Asics, I think these have like the most flavor for any of their shoes. Super, super light. $100, man. Normally 130. They got some of the Nimbus right here. The Nimbus 25. You can see the midsole way bigger on this one. Little bit heavier than the Noosas though. A little bit heavier than the Noosas. Do got these right here. These use the Flight Flown Blast Plus. I think both of these do. But yeah, Nova Blast right here, going for 100. And Cumulus 25s, the current models, the 26s, older model down to $60. I don't see too much difference. Ankle collar slightly different. But yeah, $60, that's definitely a bargain. Do got a Borders here. And I'm still tripping at how we can find Dunk SB lows. And they got a few pretty dope ones, holy cow. And they also have the latest colorway of the iShot 2s right here. This colorway is the exact same as the Dunk Low that just released recently. Different materials and stuff too. This is pretty dope. I see corduroy. Is that suede? Oh, I think that's a suede. Nubuck, mesh. Pretty interesting. The Verdi collab, I guess. Okay. iShot 2s right here. Only skate shoe with the visible Air Max unit. Go for 110. And then the SB Dunks right here. They squeezed the deconstructed highs right here. 145 for those bad boys. Dang, dude. Poor shoe. Then they still have one of these. Or a couple of them. This is size 10. I do have these bad boys at home. My kid wears these all the time as well. And then do got, what is this? I don't know what colorway this is, but got one of these at least. With the Granny Smith Apple colorway right here. Go for 125. These are size 8 on display. And then do got these. These have been available pretty much everywhere. The material is just so freaking soft. It's just the color. I think it's just the color that nobody wants. Got these Campuses right here. These are going for 85. Do get that 50 off, and it's one of the skaters. It is one of Adidas' skaters. Sanbongi, I don't know. But yeah, 85. Obviously, I'm not a skater. I'm not like a huge skate fan, so I don't know all the skaters like that. Do got Forums right here. This uses the nicest leather. 110. You do get that 50 off. Got Puigs right here. 50 off for these bad boys, as well as the Tayshaun ones right here. 50 off of these. Got a couple colorways of these Tayshauns. They're pretty nice. Material is just so freaking nice on them. And then Campuses on sale here as well. Pretty dope. 50 off. That's not bad. It's like a Superstar, but you don't have the shell toe, so you don't have to worry about that rubber getting all jacked up and you can't even clean it no more. These are dope, dude. This is nice. This is all suede too. This one's hella dope, dude. Dude got a JD Sports right here. I think we're gonna see a deluge of these on sale. The Air Max DMs, they have multiple colorways. Not a crazy sale, but $30 off. They're a little bit cheaper at Shoe Palace. Yeah, and I've also said I think we're gonna see a ton of these. Air Max 2013s on sale. They did release a bunch of these, and yeah, I don't really see people talking about them or picking them up or anything. Still got the Cortezes, and look, full sizes. Does that mean these are gonna go down even more? Does that mean they're gonna drop them down even more? Holy cow. Got some classic leathers right here, classic nylons right here. A lot of sales items. Got some New Balance 550s. And all these sales on the wall. Haven't even hit up the reduced section yet, where we see the Curry 11s right here, almost 50% off, and they got full sizes. Look at that. Full sizes. Well, they don't have 14 and 15, but yeah, pretty much full sizes. Holy cow, holy cow. And we've been seeing the KD 17s on sale. Got some Air Max Plus right here. Some Solomons right here with their super quick lacing system built for hiking. Have any of you guys tried these? I've never tried Solomon shoes. I don't know. But they got books right here. They were not on sale at Foot Locker. They do have them on sale here. So even within the mall, you need to look around. You need to shop around. Air Max 90s. Got some suede on this one. Suede and nylon right here. Got some mids right here. On the other side, got dunks and dunks and dunks, as well as Jordans right here. 2002 Rs, seeing pretty much everything go on sale now. Just be patient, man. It's definitely a great time to be patient. They do have an Adidas retail store, but I swear they haven't had anything lately. To be honest, I've barely been even going to the Nike retail stores. Do have a Pro Image right next door. Do have a nice little clearance section in the back. Watching football has not been easy because Niners have been sucking. But hopefully they get better after some injuries are figured out. But do got Cowboys Fanatics. Some bootleg jerseys right here. It says 50. Oh, the sign says up to 50% off. Is it priced as marked? I don't know. Okay, these are marked. These are marked Dodgers jerseys right here. Betts jersey going for 100. 80 for the blank ones right here. Okay. So I think most of them are blank. 47 brand Lakers women's t-shirts. Some things I see sales tax, some things I don't. 47 brand hoodies right here. $30 normally. 75. They got a bunch of them. Extra large, double extra large, so just big sizes. Vegas Golden Knights hoodie right here. These are youth hoodies. And what's the price on these? Yeah, this one's not marked, so I would ask them. Raiders starter jackets right here, $150. It's on this clearance rack though, so I would ask about the price. I don't think they've marked a lot of these. Women's jerseys right here. Yeah, they need to do a better job marking stuff. Like these are marked right here, $165. Normally $330. That's definitely official tissue stuff right here. Udius. Oh man, come on now, dude. Yeah, they need to discount it more than that, dude. Yeah, definitely just got car shirts right here. And then do got Dallas Cowboys t-shirts. And these are all huge as hell though. Oh, and those are Ezekiel Elliott. All right. I think I'm done, dude.